Landing craft attacked, Nigeria. Landing craft LAETITIA V was attacked by pirates early in the morning February 3 in Gulf of Guinea SW of Port Harcourt, Nigeria, being en route from Cotonou Benin to Onne, Port Harcourt, says Lloyd's List. According to Lloyd's report, pirates boarded the ship, 3 crew were kidnapped. LAETITIA V reached Port of Bonny, Harcourt area, in the afternoon February 4. Landing craft LAETITIA V is a new ship built in Malaysia specially for Western Africa trade. Landing craft LAETITIA V, IMO 9,766,281, DWT 1710, built 2017, flag Marshall Islands, manager MHA Shipping, Switzerland. Landing